In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an owner's draw in QuickBooks Online. This is a fundamental skill for managing finances in many small businesses, particularly those structured as sole proprietorships or partnerships. An owner's draw is essentially the money you take out from your business for personal use, and it's essential to record these transactions properly in QuickBooks to maintain accurate financial records. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online interface and click on the New button. This will open up a list of options that present various types of transactions you can record. Once you've accessed the menu, look for and select Check. This action will bring up a new screen where you can begin entering the details for this transaction. Next, you'll need to fill out the Payee field. Here, you should enter the owner's name, because the funds are being drawn from the business accounts for personal use. It's important to record this accurately, as this will help differentiate personal and business expenses when reviewing your accounts. Moving forward, you'll see an option to select the account from which the check will take its funds. Typically, this would be your business's checking account, but you should select whichever account the funds are actually coming from to ensure all records align correctly with your bank statements. Now we're on to a key step: categorizing the transaction. Look for the field marked Category and enter Owner's Draw. This may require a little setup if you haven't used this category before. In that case, you'll need to create a new category, which can be done easily within QuickBooks by selecting the option to add a new category and then naming it Owner's Draw. This category will help keep your records organized, making it clear that this transaction is an owner withdrawal, not a typical business expense. Next, fill in the Amount section with the precise amount of money you are drawing. It's crucial to be accurate here, as even a minor discrepancy could lead to issues with your financial statements later on. After you've filled in all the required information, you can go ahead and click Save. QuickBooks also provides you with the option to print the check right then and there if you need a hard copy for your records or to give to your bank. And there you have it. A quick rundown on recording an owner's draw in QuickBooks Online. With just a few straightforward steps, you can ensure that your financial records accurately reflect any funds withdrawn for personal use. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial made managing your business finances a little easier for you today.